Hey everyone, this is the second Hampton Bay Carousel 1 ceiling fan. I picked this up at Habitat last month, and because the wood arms didn't fit, and the wood didn't fit on the wood arms, so that's why I got this one. And there was a couple. This one had a little bit of a repair on the light kit. So I went to Lowe's, got a new pole chain and stuff, and so I fixed the pole chain on the light kit, as you can see, because when I got it, the pole chain was already broken. It was pulled out, so I just put a new pole chain on there, and so now it works. This one was missing a couple parts. I was missing the canopy, the mounting bracket, and stuff like that. So I just borrowed. So I got. So yeah, this one works. So yeah. This one has a spotlight kit. That was my other one. This is like the exact one. Basically, cause and the blade arm's a little different because it doesn't have the thing, the little slot thing where it holds the screws in. Cause these are kind of, cause actually, you know what? Both of the carousels that I got the Habitat, the motors are a little different because on one has like the holding mounting bracket, like where you put the screws in. This one just like just like you just put the screws in and stuff. So as you can see, this one's red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. And the light kit right here is red, yellow, green, and blue. There's a Hampton Bay logo. Hampton Bay pole chains there, they're black. So, yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate it for you. Start out with the light. Oh yeah, forgot to tell you this, but this one, as you can see, one of them has a broken, there's a little piece that's missing for the ring, so I'll show you, that's one thing that's broken. Here's low. Basically, this one's and the carousels were made in the late 90s. So I'm not sure when this fan was manufactured. But the carousels, they started in the 90s at Home Depot. Late 90s, basically. I'm very sure the first carousel was made in 1999. I'm not sure. Well, it was probably made before 1999. So I'm gonna say I know the carousels were made in the 90s. So sometime in the 90s these were made. I want to say it was made in the mid to late 90s. And I went into the early 2000s to 2001 and stuff, and probably 2002. But unfortunately, these fans are discontinued. The only place you could probably find these fans is at Habitat, but that's kind of occasionally sometimes. Depends which restore you go to. I don't know what year this fan was made. But, I'm sorry I've not been making videos for the past few days, because I've been sick and stuff, and I got the flu, and I know everyone's getting the flu lately, so, yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on medium. And, I want to tell you that, that one of the worst Hampton Bay ceiling fans is the Carousel 2. Not this Carousel, but the Carousel 2 is bad because, well, actually, it's basically like the San Marino, because the Carousel 2s are like the San Marinos, actually. But, they're bad because the capacitors just fail sometimes, and just, yeah. The Carousel 3s, they're not that bad of a fan. They're just like pink and blue and just a white motor. The Carousel 3, or Carousel 2 has like a couple set of blades. It has a white and washstroke blades, and has... They actually have a light colored and rainbow colored. So, yeah. I mean, I like the Carousel 2s and how they look and stuff, how they operate, but still one of the worst Hampton Bay fans on the market. Well, it's actually now discontinued too. And those were made in, I want to say 2003. But, they're basically like the San Marinos, I'll tell you. They're like almost a copy off of it, except the San Marinos are basically a 36-inch fan, and the Carousel 2s are basically like a 44-inch fan. Sorry about that. There's high. This one's pretty silent. It's pretty silent. So you see that one, the bulb, it kind of does flicker a little bit, slightly. But gonna have to get some LED bulbs eventually. I mean, I still have some incandescent bulbs left, but I know Ema fan loves carousels, and that's actually like a big major childhood fan for him. So well, on reverse. So in my last video, if you guys remember, the carousels are basically like the Beverly Hills California Surfer, basically. But they're almost like the California Surfers, except the carousel, they're more like a C-shaped mounting blade arm. And the Beverly Hills ones, those are like crescent blade arms. And basically, also, Beverly Hills, those were sold at Sears back in the early 90s. Well, actually, they don't really sell ceiling fans at Sears anymore on display. That was more like an old, like 80s, 90s, 70s thing. And also, if you didn't know, that they actually used to sell ceiling fans at JCPenney back in the day too. They used to sell Moss, they used to sell probably Hangtown. And also, yeah, at Sears they used to also sell SMC in Hunter. Kmart sold Alaska, Lasco, SMC, and currently, or used to, they used to sell Cool Breeze. But though, unfortunately, Kmart is closing down. A lot of Kmart locations are closing down lately. So unfortunately, the Cool Breeze ceiling fans are probably not going to be around much longer. But Kmart's basically kind of like before Walmart even existed. Because they used to have a cafe, in which of course, like, every Walmart has like have to have like a fast food restaurant. So yeah. Here's Ty. Yeah. And I wish I could see ceiling fans at Sears on display. But you can always see those ceiling fans mostly in the Sears catalog back in the 90s and 80s and 70s, probably. Unfortunately, Sears is already gone bankrupt on Kmart, but but Hampton Bay was made at Home Depot, so yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching, hope you enjoy, just comment, rate, and subscribe, and thanks for watching, bye bye.